In this question, you're asked to find limit x tends to 0 sine 3x plus 7x by 4x plus sine 2x. So what we have is, we have trigonometric limits, right? Limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1, tan x by x is equal to 1. So what I do in this question is, I'll divide both numerator and denominator by x. So limit x tends to 0, sine 3x by x plus 7 divided by 4 plus sine 2x by x. So that is equal to, so we know that as x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. But you have sine 3x here. As x tends to 0, 3x as well as 2x both tend to 0. So if you have 3x here, for the limit to be equal to 1, in the denominator also you have to have 3x. Similarly, if you have 2x here, in the denominator also you have to have 2x. So what I do is I'll multiply and divide this with 3. I'll multiply and divide this with 2. So what is sine 3x by 3x? It tends to 1. What happens to sine 2x by 2x? This also tends to 1. So the answer is 3 plus 7 divided by 4 plus 2, which is equal to 10 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 3. So this limit is equal to 5 by 3 is the answer.